Hello everyone. Today we will show you the work of thousands of trucks that you will enjoy watching. You will also see many construction projects. If you want more such videos to come, you can support us by liking this video. So let's start. Trucks play a very important role in the construction industry by transporting construction materials such as sand, gravel, cement, brick, and timber to construction sites. They contribute to efficient construction processes by ensuring a stable supply of materials needed for building projects. It is very enjoyable to watch these trucks work together. Machine used for leveling the soil, leveling and forming the road surface, and road construction rollers for road compaction are used for compacting and leveling newly built or maintained roads. In addition, backhoe loaders used in road construction are used in soil digging and transporting. A dome structure requires a solid foundation to support its weight and ensure stability. The type of foundation depends on the size of the dome, soil conditions, and local building regulations. Common foundation options include concrete footings, slab-on-grade, or deep pilings. Common foundation options include concrete footings, slab-on-grade, or deep pilings. The term ochre drum mix in the context of an asphalt plant refers to a specific type of drum mix asphalt plant. Drum mix asphalt plants are used for producing asphalt mixtures by blending aggregates and asphalt cement in a rotating drum. Autonomous robots and vehicles are being developed and utilized for various construction tasks, such as earth moving, concrete pouring, and material transportation. These machines can operate without human intervention, reducing labor requirements and increasing efficiency. Geoplast provides modular plastic formwork systems that are lightweight, reusable, and easy to handle. They offer advantages like reduced labor, improved productivity, and sustainability due to the elimination of traditional formwork materials. Bifusion's replast blocks are made by processing various types of plastic waste, including single-use plastic bottles, wrappers, and other discarded plastic items. The blocker melts the plastic particles together without the use of additional binders or adhesives, resulting in solid, durable blocks. The machines developed by NCCR Digital Fabrication showcase the forefront of technological innovation, from advanced robotic arms capable of complex 3D printing to automated systems that optimize material handling and assembly processes.